let's talk about how to solve a fractional inequality. So x is being multiplied times -4/5. So -4/5 times x is less than 16. So notice what we're going to do in this step. I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of -4/5. So the reciprocal means you're going to flip the fraction. So if you flip this fraction, it becomes -5/4. And this 5 would cancel with this 5, and this 4 would cancel with that 4. You would have two negative signs together, which essentially means -1 times -1 times x, which is going to be x. So if we take that fraction, just to repeat myself here, if you take this fraction and flip it and keep the sign with the top number, so it's going to be -5/4. Of course, if you multiply straight across, you get 20, and this is 20. 20 divided by 20 is 1 also, so you end up with 1x. Or you could cross cancel and end up with 1x. You change the direction of the inequality symbol anytime you multiply both sides by a negative number. So we're multiplying this side by a negative number and that side by a negative number. So that's the reason I reversed this less than to a greater than. So the rule is anytime you multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, then you reverse the direction of the inequality symbol. So there's x. This got reversed. 4 goes into 4 one time, 4 goes into 16 4 times, and 4 times -5 is -20. So this is the right answer down here. Now you could do that, or you could do 16 divided by -5, which is probably -80. -80 divided by 4 would be -20. So I prefer the cross canceling here to get that. But you could treat that over here as 16 over 1 and multiply straight across. Anyway, so this is the answer. X values that are greater than -20 will make this statement true. So anything bigger than -20, like -19 or -18 or 0 or 1 or 2, whatever, there's a bunch of answers here to this problem. Anything greater than -20 is going to fit in here and be less than 16.